Hi there, Dr. Adam Trainor here with Vital Reaction in Boulder, Colorado. Vital Reaction is a world leader in molecular hydrogen products. Molecular hydrogen is a master antioxidant and anti-inflammatory molecule with over 1,000 peer-reviewed studies showing that hydrogen has applications for over 170 different disease processes. To learn more about Vital Reaction and the science behind molecular hydrogen, visit us online at www.vital-reaction.com. Okay, today we're here to talk about our molecular hydrogen tablets. So we produce tablets that can be used to infuse any non-carbonated beverage with hydrogen gas. Water is most common, but it could be coffee, tea, juice, as long as it's not already carbonated. These tablets contain elemental magnesium and malic acid. When you combine magnesium, malic acid, and water in the right proportions, you get a chemical reaction that produces hydrogen gas. So you'll see as soon as I drop this tablet in here, it starts producing gas almost immediately. It's going to take about a minute or two to dissolve completely, and then you can just drink the solution. Now this tablet's going to produce about 8 to 10 parts per million hydrogen gas and about 8 to 10 ounces of water. For reference, that's about 100 million times more than you would find naturally occurring in a glass of water. Now because hydrogen diffuses so quickly and so freely, you'll want to drink this within about 10 to 15 minutes of preparation. Imagine pouring a can of soda that starts to go flat, almost immediately while you're pouring it. Because of that, I would actually be a little leery of any of the prepackaged hydrogen products you're starting to see show up on store shelves now. Unfortunately, there's just no container that can contain hydrogen. It just diffuses right out. So those products at the store, by the time you get them, have at most maybe 1 or 2 parts per million hydrogen gas. Our tablets will produce about 5 times as much. The same is going to go for those hydrogen water generators. A lot of people ask me about those as well. Those will generate about 2 to 3 parts per million hydrogen. The highest I've seen is 4 parts per million. Again, that's less than half as much as you get with our tablets, which will produce about 8 to 10 parts per million and 8 to 10 ounces of water. Recommended dosage in these tablets is 1 tablet dissolved in water twice a day. You can take more. There's no upper limit. It's impossible to overdose, but most people get good results at that level. Personally, I take 1 in the morning and then again when I get home from work in the evening, and I find that works pretty well for me. With our tablets, we are so confident that you're going to experience improvements in your health that we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. We guarantee that you will notice improvements in your health in 30 days or we'll refund your purchase. In terms of what you can expect to experience, it really depends. So if you're dealing with any kind of chronic, underlying health or inflammatory issue, typically that's where hydrogen will manifest its benefits. It seems to go where it's needed. But if you're healthy and just want to take hydrogen for, preventative measures and for ongoing wellness, typically what people report is increased energy, improved sleep quality is a big one, decreased brain fog, so improved mental clarity, reduced inflammation. I can't predict how hydrogen is going to impact you, but you can try it risk-free and let your body show you where it's needed. Now, because the sports medicine benefits are so well researched, we actually extend that same guarantee to athletes. So if you're any kind of athlete, weekend warrior, all the way up to pro, whatever you're measuring for your sport, if it's time, speed, distance, weight, we guarantee you'll see improvements in 30 days or we'll refund your purchase. Okay, so our tablets dissolve completely. You might notice a little gray residue on top sometimes. That's just undissolved magnesium. A little stir takes care of that. Magnesium isn't very water soluble, so sometimes it needs a little encouragement to dissolve completely. And then you can just go ahead and drink it. Our tablets are non-GMO, gluten-free and dairy-free. They're made here in the USA. They don't have much of a flavor. Some people report like a little lemony taste from the malic acid. You can actually add a little squeeze of lemon. It'll improve the flavor and it actually speeds up the chemical reaction by making the water a little bit more acidic. Each bottle comes with 60 tablets, so at 2 tablets a day, that's a 1-month supply. They retail for $59.50, and again, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So visit www.vital-reaction.com and try yours risk-free today. You'll be glad you did.